Raspberry Pi needs to be updated from time to time to work better and to have the latest feature. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this. First, you need to open the terminal. It's a black icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then you need to click on it. Through the terminal, we need to ask the Raspberry Pi to perform two instructions. The first one is to check for a new update, and the second one is to install all new updates available. The first instruction is sudo update. Sudo is equivalent to please. Apt is referring to packages, software or apps. And update is the command to check for new updates. So you're basically telling the Raspberry Pi, please check for new updates. As you can see, there are 23 packages that can be upgraded. Now we need the Raspberry Pi to perform the second instruction. The second instruction is sudo apt full upgrade. The command full upgrade means to update everything to the newest version available. So you're basically telling the Raspberry Pi, please update all packages to the newest version available. The Raspberry Pi will ask you for permission to use space in order to install the updates. To proceed, type Y and click. As you can see, this may take a while. The updating process has finished, and the Raspberry Pi is with the latest updates and working optimally.